Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export a report in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your dashboard, here on the left-hand panel, click on this icon. It will take you to your analytics, which does have your report. So here you'll see all my reports. So I've clicked here and I have this one, for example, copy of sales trends. So I'll go ahead and click on this and this will load up my report. And what I want you to do to export this, come to the top right, click on this export icon and you get a drop down here and you can choose to email this report to yourself. You can just click on email now. We'll just send a PDF to you of this report. As you can see, it is being processed. It will be emailed when completed, or you can just click on export and then click on download right here and it will process this report, which will be downloaded automatically as a PDF. So here is an example of the email they'll send you, just a PDF. You can just go ahead and open it up. Here you go. And the other option basically just downloads a PDF as well. So you can see, just go ahead and open that up. And that is how to export a report in Freshsales.